Good day. Yes, so you're welcome back. If this is your first time, you are most welcome to Ghana Lotto TV. Yes, so make it a point to subscribe to the channel so that anytime I upload a new video, you will be notified. That is, if you have not already subscribed. Okay, so this is midweek. And remember, I posted a certain video for the week that comprises software predictions for each day. So in that video, Monday special, we couldn't get anything from the Monday special predictions, but in Lucky Tuesday, the best 5 that I mentioned, the first number that I mentioned, 52. I gave the best 5. The first number I mentioned for the best 5, it dropped live. Yes, later on, I got a confirmation. I wanted to make a backup video. I'm sure a lot of you could have carried that banker, but I didn't get the chance to make that video. So, but we had one leg from the best 5, right? Okay, this one is midweek, a confirmed too sure from that video. So I think the video is showing here, but after watching watch this video to the end, that video will come by itself for you to watch. When it appears, tap on it and watch the plans again. Yes, some columns are suggested. But too sure, they are in that video. They are suggested by that software there, and then a particular setup plan. Some numbers that played last week confirm those 2 numbers. Okay, so last week we are on where these were the last week predictions on the 22nd April. Our single 6, 76, 85, 37, 33. For the winning, machine size 28, 77, 72, 15, 50. Okay, so let's go. Alright, so we have these highlighted numbers and event. Let me take you through. I may not be able to explain all of them. Yes, but I'll take you through. I'll explain the key ones that we need to play this time. Okay, so just forget about the yellow ones first. Forget about the yellow ones for now. So we are starting with the green, coming to this red numbers. So you meet 38, very important. You meet 38 with 49, either in machine or winning. With 49, either in machine or winning. This midweek on board. Then the following week, you meet addition 102. You meet what? Addition 102. So 55 plus 47, that will give you 102. After this, 60 center box. 60 center box. Stay tuned. Yes, the 2 sure that are being confirmed they are from the yellow numbers, the yellow highlights. So stay tuned. The confirmed 2 sure from that other video, and make sure you watch that video because that game will drop. This event is good, and it's actually confirming some particular column that suggests the software suggested there. Okay, so after the 60 center box, the following week, live to show 85, 33. 85, 33. Okay, so when you come to the current, it's here. You meet 38, very important. Then 49, either in win or machine. 49, either in win or machine. So this time the 49 played at machine, but the plan still maintains. Then the following week, addition 108, 102. Addition 102. So 33 plus 69 will give you 102. Then after this 102 is set, the following week your 120 banker is what? 60. and it came. Position, center box. And then last week 8533, right? 8533. Okay, so this particular setup actually suggested 80 column. You know, the 80 column, the software predictions there, the 80 column to appear. There are three numbers that appeared there. They are not exactly these numbers, but this particular one also suggests that 80 column can drop 2 or 3 numbers today. Yes, so we are on this event. You can try this event, it's very good. You can try this event, it's very good. But the main game is the software suggested numbers. Please, that game will drop. Now let me now confirm the two sure from the software that are being confirmed here. Let me confirm. Yes, so one of the numbers is single 8. This single 8 is a number that is usually played immediately after 85 for midweek. The single 8, the software captured it. It's a number that usually played immediately after 85. Yes, if it will fail, then it will come the double form or the 10. That's how it happens. If the single 8 will fail, it will come the double form or the 10, of which both of them are what? In the 80 column. You understand why I now say the 80 column is very strong. Now 3 numbers appeared here. In the software suggested numbers, 3 numbers from the 80 column appeared there. And if this single 8 is failing, it will come an 80 column. It will come an 80 column. Okay, so here you meet 85, right? The following week, single 8 came live. Let me take it from this side. Here you meet 85. The following week, single 8 came live. The 85 repeated, so the single 8 has to repeat. I hope you are following. Just from these 3 alone, you'll be convinced that a single 8 is a carryable banker. You miss 85, the following week, single 8 follow up. Mostly, you see that it lapped. Here to it lapped. The only difference is here that it didn't lap, but it came. So 85 played here, repeated. So single 8 to follow up. Also played under 85. As the 85 repeated, it also repeated the following week. Alright, so when you come here, and 85 played here. Single 8 was supposed to play on this event, but it came the double form, 88. I hope you are following. And still, it came and played in machine. I hope you are getting it. Please, try and watch that video. It will come after the end of this video. It will come by itself. And I may put the link under the comment section for easy accessibility. Yes. So now, single 8 is here. So for the 10, you see that here you meet 85, right? With this 33. Then the following week, there's a single 8. It failed to come, so it came the 10. So single 8, 88, 80, 1 has to play today. 1 will play today. Now, so that's 1 for the too sure. And now another confirmed number from the software predictions that I'm taking as a too sure. But please watch out. The best 5 that I gave there, they are very powerful. They are very, very powerful. The single 8 is actually among the best 5. 57 wasn't among. I didn't give that one in the best 5 bar. Right now, I'm confirming it. So you add it, you get 6 strong, 6 solid numbers. And the rest of the numbers that they are very hot. Please try. Don't miss that video. Try and watch it. Try and watch. Now, the second number in the too sure is 57, right? It's 57. It's also following up some of the numbers that played last week. Yes, so here 33 played the following week. It came live. It came live. Okay, and this time for 76 here, it actually played with it. Now the 76 came and played. It is most likely to follow up, but that's not the main distance. The main is confirmation is here. you meet 30, okay, 33 again. Well, take your time, let me take you through here. Here you meet 30, then the following week 33, right? 30 followed by 33, then 57 is your banker. Yes, when you come to the current, you see 2 weeks ago 30 played followed by 33, so your banker will be 57. And then when you come here, you meet 56, so here 56, then the following week 33, 76, 33, 76, then next your banker is 57. Your banker is 57. So here, see, this 57 can play with the 21 like this. See, the 21 is in this main event, this setup event. Yes, so 57 is also very hot. So 57 single 8 are the two sure for midweek 29th April 2026. Yes, and these are confirmed from the software suggested numbers. Please watch that video, and then 80 column gonna drop 2 or 3 numbers. Another column that is hot is the 50 column, because the software suggested about 4 numbers, and or is it 3 numbers from 50 column. Also in that video, the 80 column, there are 3 numbers, and I think they are not even here. Some different 1, different 2, like that. So check that video out, please check it out. It'll show, it'll come and show right now, so that you tap on it and continue to watch. All right, good luck and see you in the next video.